Aquatic, an Action company. Aquatic is an independent supplier of powered reel and tensioner systems for the oil and gas, telecommunications and renewable energy industries worldwide. Aquatic continues to develop a strong global reputation for its ability to lay and retrieve flexible and semi-rigid products in submarine environments and has amassed more than 35 years' experience in this area. We develop and leverage innovative technology, extending our capability to match customers' expectations and requirements, and offer an extensive range of equipment for installing and spooling of flexible systems such as risers, flow lines, umbilicals, cables, wire ropes, coiled tubing and mooring lines. But how do we get to the point where a flexible system is ready for installation? Welcome to our Peterhead facility. Operationally speaking, this is where it all starts to happen. Our main yard has an office, a 1,000 square metre workshop and 2 10-ton overhead cranes and fabrication and machining facilities. Most of our modular equipment is maintained and mobilised from this location. We also offer a complete storage, inspection and management service for customers' spare pipeline and umbilical products and reels. Here we see one of our 4-track 50-ton tensioners being mobilised. Our extensive collection of tensioners range from 3 to 50 tons line pull, weigh from 2 to 44 tons, and take products with outer diameters from 25 to 600 millimetres. Essentially, Aquatic is a full-service rental company, and whilst no two projects are alike, our service fundamentally remains the same. For a typical project, we may need to transpool a flexible product onto a project-specific reel before we mobilise it to a vessel. Here we see a standard quayside transpooling operation using a combination of a powered reel drive system and powered under rollers with a level winder that evenly distributes the product on the reel. We can do this kind of work at our 3,000 square metre North Base complex in Peterhead, Loyang Base in Singapore, Amelia facility in Louisiana, or at customer locations worldwide. With the key crane in position, the reel is lifted and positioned onto low loader haulage. As the reel and product together can weigh up to 500 tons, achieving this operation invariably requires 2 low loaders. Once ready, the reels are transported along the quayside for mobilisation onto the waiting vessel. Aquatic has a wide variety of storage and installation reels. Product capacity ranges from 20 to 450 tons, and reel diameters range from 2.5 to 11.4 metres, equivalent to stacking 8 Mini Coopers on top of each other. Aquatic reels can accommodate partitions to enable multiple products to be spooled on and off a single reel, depending on product weight and outside diameter. We have stored up to 4 different flexible products on one reel. This can offer potential cost savings for clients, as it helps to minimise deck space, transit time and the equipment requirements for fulfilling the project brief. The biggest challenge for any equipment and service provider is reaction speed and delivery satisfaction. Our modular and smaller equipment can be dismantled to fit into standard 40-foot flat rack and shipping containers. This enables kit to be transported by road and sea, as required, to worldwide destinations at a fraction of the cost to the freighter. Here, our 9.2 metre diameter, fully modular reel, the AQSR50, is being loaded into a succession of open-top containers. Aquatic's comprehensive range of modular power reel drive systems is available for transporting to anywhere in the world, so that equipment can be mobilised to any project-specified port. Our solution minimises vessels' movements and consequent downtime, and reduces project costs to customers. Aquatic has a range of powered reel drive systems capable of handling reels weighing up to 500 tons. Their modular design offers ease of dismantling and transportation. Here we see the dismantling operation of our powered reel drive system towers. The 10-ton drum and additional components are loaded onto a standard flatbed trailer, demonstrating the modularity and flexibility of our equipment. When the equipment required for a project is delivered to the designated quayside, mobilisation onto the vessel can begin. First, the tracks are positioned on the deck and sea-fastened in a precise location. Then, the drums of product can be loaded and sea-fastened to the deck. Throughout equipment mobilisation onto the vessel, a member of Aquatic's HSEQ team is on site to ensure adherence to all Aquatic, client and harbour board safety protocols. Senior members of the operations department always represent Aquatic aboard a vessel. Our team liaises directly with the vessel's superintendent and deck crew and the quayside personnel to ensure the mobilisation is safe, controlled and carried out in timely manner. The Aquatic engineering team produces an accurate load plan like the one shown here during the design phase. The load plan is reviewed and approved by the project team, operations team and of course the client before mobilisation. The powered reel's drives can now be loaded into their predetermined positions. Here you can see a track-mounted system which is required because of the multi-reel setup. This kind of setup gives the client greater scope and means more product can be installed or recovered at any one time. Once the tensioner system and ancillaries are on deck, sea-fastened and fully tested, the vessel is ready to sail. From here on, we follow the installation procedures the client has issued. We fully integrate all the relevant vessel safety protocols and our team and equipment into the client's solution, which is the way for all Aquatic jobs. Using the track system, we move the powered reel drive into position for laying the next reel of product. The towers are moved independently along the track using hydraulics. Once the tower is in position, its height is adjusted to suit the reel so that the drive can be engaged. This operation is repeated until each drum is spent. The reel drive system can also be utilised in a single reel setup, should the project require a single flexible product to be installed or recovered. Here you can see a single layout deploying over the side of the vessel. This is suitable for project-specific applications. Aquatic. Our aim is to be your preferred partner in providing equipment and services for handling reeled products. Trust us to get our people and equipment to where you want it, when you need it, for as long as you have to have it.